When we look at a watch, we only see the time, but the real story is hidden inside. These tiny gears work together in perfect harmony. Each gear has its own role, and together they form a complete system. The most important part of this system is the mainspring. When you wind the watch, energy is stored inside this spring. Then this energy is slowly released and transferred through the gears. Here comes the escapement, which controls this energy. That's why we hear the ticking sound, and the time stays accurate. The balance wheel moves back and forth, creating the rhythm of the watch. Just imagine such tiny parts, yet such perfect timing. From the outside it looks simple, but inside it's pure engineering. Mechanical watches are special because they don't rely on batteries. They run on pure mechanics. Every movement, every tick, is the result of precise calculation. This is not just about telling time, it's about showing craftsmanship. If you enjoy simple and interesting videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.